Okay, now we're going to go over setting up our WordPress site. Now, if you type in your domain name and you see something like this, that means that your domain has been propagated. So everything's ready now. So to get to your control panel, you type in your domain name / cpanel. So in our case, bestgolfswingadvice.com / cpanel. And hit enter. Okay, it's going to come up with a sign-in screen. So this is where your account information comes in that you set up. So you put that in here. Okay, and now we have our website control panel up. That gives you a little introduction here that you can watch if you want. Okay, so let's just say no thanks for now. Okay, so what we want to do now is go down and find Fantastico Deluxe. You'll see it down here. Fantastico Deluxe is a script that allows you to install other scripts. So it's just basically a few clicks and you're ready to go. As you see, there's a lot of different things you can install here. But we're going to go with WordPress because that's what we're using. So click on that, and then this is your WordPress installs will all show up down here. We haven't got any yet, but we can install as many instances of WordPress as we like on our domain. They would have to be in different directories, however. So let's do new installation. Okay, and then here is our domain name and install in directory. This is what I was referring to. We're going to install this in the root directory, so when somebody goes to bestgolfswingadvice.com, they go straight to our site. If you want to install more instances of WordPress, you can put them in directories. So if we put something like products, and we wanted to install another WordPress blog inside products, we would install it here, and it would be bestgolfswingadvice.com / products would contain a different WordPress blog. Okay, but we're only going to install the one in the main directory because this is our main site. Okay, so here you put in your admin username and password. I suggest you don't use admin here. Use something else. And then a password you want to use here. Now, obviously, don't use password because that is not secure. That's the first thing people are going to try if they want to break into your site or hack your site. They're going to try admin and password. So don't use either. Okay, our admin nickname. You can change this how you like here. Down here is our email address. Now, we didn't set up an email address, so let's just go set one up quickly on our domain. So let's right click here. Let's open it in a new tab. And let's go back to email accounts. Okay, now you can set up an email here, whatever you like. And you can set up as many as you like as well. So I'm just going to put info. Okay, and then our password. You can use the password generator here if you want, and it'll give you a strong password. Just click that you've copied it to a safe place, and there you go. And you now have a strong password. And whether you want to use 250 megabytes or a certain number of megabytes you put in here, or if you want it unlimited. Let's create the account. We now have info at bestgolfswingadvice.com set up. So let's just go here. Now our site name here. What we want to do is use our main keyword here. And then our description. This is our tagline that's going to show up on our site as well. So we would put something here that makes sense for our site and has our keywords in it. So I put in here, your best golf swing awaits. Click install WordPress. And it's just telling you here what it's going to do. It's going to create a database. Click finish installation. Okay, so it is now installed WordPress for us, just like that. So if we click here, our WordPress blog's installed, and we can now sign in. So we need to use the credentials that we set it up with. And we are now logged in to the back of WordPress. So our WordPress site is installed on our domain. So if we go here, visit site, this is what our current website looks like right out of the box. So we have a lot of work to do to get the site ready to post on. Well, in the next video, we're going to go over installing plugins.